Introduction to Models in SAP UI5. A well-liked web development platform for creating enterprise-level apps is called SAP UI5. Support for models, which offer an easy and effective approach to handling application data, is one of the core elements of SAP UI5. We will examine the fundamentals of using models in SAP UI5 in this blog article. Describe a model. An application's data is stored in a model, which also offers means for accessing and modifying it. The application logic and presentation logic are divided using models in SAP UI5, which makes the code more modular and simpler to maintain. SAP UI5 supports a wide range of model types, including JSON models, XML models, OData models, and more. There are 4 types of models: 1, JSON model, client-side model. 2, XML model, client-side model. 3, resource model, client-side model. 4, OData model, server-side model. Request, response, for the database. How to use the model in SAP UI5. Step 1. Declare a brand new model object, greater than model name equals O model greater than JSON model, var O model equals new sap.ui.model.json.json model, greater than resource model, var O model equals new sap.ui.model.resource.resource model. Dash greater than XML model, var O model equals new sap.ui.model.xml.xml model, greater than OData model, var O model equals new sap.ui.model.odata.v2.odata model. Step 2. Set the data to the model, greater than JSON model, XML modelo model.set data, O model.load data. Model / greater than resource model not. Dash greater than OData modelo model.read, O model.create, O model.update, O model.defa. Step 3. Set the model to your app, view, control level, greater than app level sap.ui.getCore. Set model O model, greater than view level these.getView. Set model O model, greater than control level these.getView. By id control id. Set model O model. After completing 3 steps you need to bind, for connection. For every binding, this is the same syntax. For dynamically value store control level, on btn click, function, / syntax when this.getView. By id pwd. Bind value / s data / s no, / syntax to this.getView. By id pwd. Bind property value, / s data / s no. Conclusion. In this blog post, we have learned about the basics of using models in SAP UI5. We have explored the concept of models,